God, Goddess, all that is. Thank you for using me to spread your divine prophecy. I'm hearing that only those with a pure heart will access, will remember the forbidden knowledge that has been encoded within their DNA for the protection of Mother Earth, for the protection of our galaxy and this entire universe. The sacred knowledge, wisdom, has been anchored deep within you. Unfortunately, we are in a universe where we hide the mystery I'm hearing. And if you clicked on that video, you must definitively resonate with Shaman, Starseed, the bearer of light. You might be an Aquarius, here to create the new earth. You have sacred codes within. And I am here on this planet 144. You're a powerful light worker. I am here to help you activate your dormant DNA. Everything they said it was your garbage DNA is not. It is your stellar race DNA. And through the sign that they tried to hide, we activate our cellular system to remember. Therefore, we remember that we're God and goddesses here to spread the sacred energy, empower ourselves with Mother Kundalini, raise Mother Kundalini, raise the earth Kundalini, first of all, through powerful light language, because the light is coming from outside, but the real light is coming from inside. This is your most powerful protection. Activate the dragon. Today for the new moon, I have 333 on the timer. Very powerful codes of manifestation for you. Close your eyes, please, and receive the rainbow. Reflect Nara, digu, ushu, dudurukuba, atara, umatoto. Asara, atukuturu, umatara, be the catalyst. Remember that you are a catalyst for Mother Earth. Kriyo, tu, umata. Ijiri, asara, ya, allow the power of the goddess Kundalini. Remember the sacred technology. Allow her to transcend the darkness within. This is your only way to peace, love, light, joy, happiness. Kayena Sara Ino Kuaya Umaya Onaya Ara ia ansu unarua sahi. I'm feeling the energy shifting. Kiriya Sara. Let the rainbow Sara flow. Ria Usu. Let the rainbow flush Kriya out of your system. Dia Su. No. Rumatara ya Sara. Igri no. Kuru. Asra. Carryyyyy, sunarayaraya, sirayanaya, saraya, niyayo, iyo, ara nesa. I'm feeling the flash happening to Studio Tauma in your sacred chakra, fluidifying. I'm hearing the sacred energy, sexual energy, powerful crown and sacral activation. Receive the light, and I'm very guided to switch for you to benefit the codes of the sun. You see the orbs here. Powerful sun codes. Aru. Iri iatara nikasara uatara ua osu tu wasa. Be infused tia karawasa with this sign. Uta ia oruma tata uru ananase. May your entire system be infused with this powerful sign, energy, frequency. Drink plenty of water. Wash your system, clear and cleansing the water. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. I'm here to activate your system for you to remember who you truly are. Activating truly, fully your dormant DNA for you to remember the God, the goddess that you are. Until next time, namaste.